Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another weekly forecast. But before we get started, I got something that I wanted to mention. So you guys know that we've got a Telegram channel, right? We've got a Telegram free channel, a VIP channel. Now, this team on Telegram will now be getting moved over to Discord. The reason for this is because I would like everything all in one place and kind of disconnected from people on Telegram and just from everyone else on Telegram, and just like it, in its own space where we have, our, free analysis, our VIP stuff, and we have our free chat and VIP chat together as well, all in one little platform. So once this is ready, I will be sending out a link onto the main Telegram channel and also for the VIP members as well. So be sure to keep an eye on this and keep a lookout once it's ready. Right, anyway, back to the chart. So for the gold analysis, gold has been absolutely flying this past week since we had our breakout. Where were we? Were around about here just before the end of the week. I expected price to start pulling back and for price to move up. However, if it was a fake out, that price would actually go back within this range. But because with all the fundamentals and the stuff that's going on within Ukraine, this wasn't the case, and price actually continued pushing up here. So for this week, I'm actually looking for price to start slowing down and maybe give us a little pullback. Not something too big. I still do think that gold is bullish. As you can see, we have been bullish for quite a while, ever since I mentioned if we broke past this area here, right, it's all over. Actually, oh, hold on a second. That was a lie. It's 1870. If price pushed above 1870 and broke this area, the bearish order flow is now broken. As you can see, we were making, I'll go into the daily time frame and zoom in here. We have been making lower highs and been wedging within this pattern here. So what happened is that ever since we broke above 1870, this bearish order flow is now broken and we've broken out the wedge. So this would have been here, price came back to retest and then moved up higher. Okay, so now we are actually at a certain resistance level here at around about 1900, strong institutional level as well. You'll put a line there. This is where price is stalled. Now, many people will think that, okay, this is a resistance level. Now, price should actually touch this and actually crumble going back down toward this area. But with inflation around, I don't think that is the case anymore. I feel like this is actually a true breakout for gold. And we just need to start looking for more bullish scenarios for now, going into next week. So you can see that the bulls actually slowed down around this area. Price actually gave us a nice pullback in the Asian session, and price actually ranged and consolidated. So, excuse me. Right, yesterday I was, we did manage to take a buy trade, and I was looking for a sell within the sell zone. We did get something out of that, and price actually stalled within this area. So I'm just going to be looking for a simple distribution phase around this area to give us a little pullback, perhaps even maybe a bigger pullback back down to the trend line. But we got to see what happens, because this whole area has not been tested at all yet. As you can see from there, price only came up to this resistance level on the left right here. So price actually came over to here and stopped, and then that's when price started pushing up. So we need to see what the market gives us. I will be waiting on Monday to see how price action moves, because price was grinding back up and it looked like price was going to make a new high but didn't. So this is where you need to follow your strategy. As you can see, it came into my sell zone. Stop loss would have been above the previous high, and this would have been a nice trade to take, at least if it is only 50 pips. We need to take what the market gives us, make sure you bag the money and go again the next time, because if you're really lucky, what you'd end up getting is a move like this out of nowhere in like 2-3 minutes. So gold can give you those moves. You just need to keep taking these positions, manage the risk, and you'll end up, getting a good move at least once a month from the way I've traded gold. So what I'll be expecting is to see, price actually push back down to this area, and then you might end up getting some sort of stop hunt above the 1903 area. And if price just comes back into this range, then you'll start to see price start to roll back down to the downside at least to fill this imbalance here. So I'll be expecting maybe some sort of pullback if price doesn't go too high, just to charge back up, collect some more liquidity, and then I'll be expecting price to continue its push to the upside. So pretty simple forecast. I'll probably keep this on the thumbnail. We'll see what we can get. But yeah, if price does start to push low initially, you could look for some small buy positions, but I think we could favor more sell positions at the moment now, until we start seeing some new highs. So if price does push above 1903, be careful, because this could be some sort of stop hunt, right? To just collect all the seller stops here, come back within the range, and then make a move. And this would be a distribution phase, if you guys know what Wyckoff, the Wyckoff schematics are. So hope you guys enjoyed this forecast. Be sure to leave a like, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and yeah, get that Discord app downloaded so you guys are ready to just move across when our whole team is moved across as well. Because I just want to get away from Telegram and have my own dedicated platform. So yeah, peace.